fight over stuff.
They do. Like when me and Joyce were at New Jersey, I threw like one Cheeto, and all the fucking seagulls came to the freaking. All of the seagulls came to us after one freaking Cheeto.
Water.
One seagull gets one Cheeto, and then the rest of the crew comes. Hi, pretty seagulls. One of them's gonna like shit on our heads, and then I'm gonna laugh my ass off.
So I'm afraid of getting attacked by a seagull.
They're not gonna attack you.
I don't want to get pooped on.
They're not gonna poop on you.
You go ahead.
Pretty seagulls. Seagulls.